In a world where health trends come and go like fleeting whispers, there's one timeless truth that remains steadfast: the importance of a nutrient-rich diet. Amidst the kaleidoscope of dietary advice, certain foods emerge as veritable superheroes, packed with an arsenal of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can fortify our bodies and minds. These nutritional powerhouses, aptly dubbed superfoods, possess the extraordinary ability to elevate our well-being and vitality. So prepare to embark on a culinary journey where taste meets nutrition as we explore these superfoods that promise to invigorate your health and leave you feeling unstoppable. Welcome to Tasty Table, and today we'll be talking about the 10 superfoods for a healthier you. But before we get down to business, why don't you just hit that subscribe button? It will help us a lot. Blueberries, the tiny titans of antioxidants. Picture plump, juicy blueberries bursting with flavor and color. These petite spheres are anything but ordinary. Rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins, blueberries combat oxidative stress and inflammation, safeguarding your cells from damage. Whether enjoyed fresh, frozen, or blended into a vibrant smoothie, incorporating blueberries into your diet can support brain health, improve heart function, and even promote radiant skin. Do you know that blueberries are one of the only natural foods that are truly blue in color? Most blue foods are actually purple, but blueberries are the real deal. Well, isn't that just very fascinating? Salmon, omega-3 rich oceanic delight. Dive into the depths of nutrition with wild-caught salmon, a fatty fish teeming with omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a crucial role in cardiovascular health, bolstering heart function and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Moreover, salmon serves as a potent source of protein, nourishing muscles and promoting satiety. Grilled, baked, or poached, savor the succulence of salmon and reap its myriad benefits. In some cultures, salmon is eaten raw in a dish called salmon sashimi. It's a delicacy that showcases the fish's fresh, buttery flavor without any cooking. Kale, the verdant emperor of leafy greens. Bow down to kale, the reigning monarch of leafy greens, revered for its unrivaled nutrient density. Bursting with vitamins A, C, and K, along with an array of minerals, kale fortifies your immune system and supports bone health. Its abundant fiber content aids digestion and promotes gut health, while its low calorie count makes it a weight loss friendly option. Embrace kale as the cornerstone of salads, stir-fries, and nutrient-packed smoothie bowls. Do you know that kale was once used as a form of currency in ancient Rome? It was highly valued for its health benefits and used as a trade commodity. Quinoa, the ancient grain of endurance. Step back in time and rediscover quinoa, the ancient grain revered by civilizations for its nutritional prowess. Packed with protein, fiber, and a host of vitamins and minerals, quinoa fuels your body with sustained energy and aids in muscle repair. Furthermore, its gluten-free status makes it an ideal choice for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. From savory pilafs to protein-rich salads, let quinoa be your ally in culinary creativity. Do you know that quinoa is not a grain but actually a seed? It's often called a pseudo-cereal because it is prepared and eaten like a grain but comes from a plant related to spinach and beets. Avocado, creamy green goodness. Indulge in the velvety richness of avocados, nature's buttery bounty, brimming with heart-healthy, mono-unsaturated fats. Beyond its luscious texture, avocados are loaded with potassium, fiber, and vitamins C, E, and K, promoting optimal health from within. Incorporate avocados into your diet to support cardiovascular function, regulate blood sugar levels, and enhance skin elasticity. Spread it on toast, blend it into creamy dips, or simply enjoy it sliced. The possibilities are endless. Now, you might be surprised to know that avocado is often used as a vegan or vegetarian substitute for butter in recipes. It's a creamy and nutritious alternative that adds a unique flavor to dishes. Turmeric, the golden spice of healing. Harness the healing power of turmeric, the golden spice revered for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, boasts a myriad of health benefits, from alleviating arthritis pain to enhancing cognitive function. Incorporate turmeric into your culinary repertoire to spice up curries, soups, and golden milk lattes. And let its vibrant hue signify a journey towards holistic well-being. Spinach, Popeye's potent leaf ally. Follow in the footsteps of Popeye and embrace the vitality of spinach, a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. From iron to folate to vitamin C, spinach fortifies your body with the essential nutrients needed for optimal health. Whether sauteed, steamed, or blended into a nutrient-packed smoothie, let spinach be your go-to green for vitality and vigor. Do you know that spinach has a unique ability to recharge in the sun? After being picked, it can produce more nutrients like vitamin C and chlorophyll when exposed to sunlight, making it even healthier to eat. Berries, nature's vibrant gems. Embark on a sensory journey with nature's vibrant gems, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and beyond. Bursting with flavor and brimming with antioxidants, berries offer a symphony of health benefits, from supporting heart health to enhancing cognitive function. Incorporate a colorful array of berries into your diet to indulge your taste buds and nourish your body from within. Greek yogurt, creamy probiotic powerhouse. Delight in the creamy richness of Greek yogurt, a probiotic powerhouse revered for its gut-friendly bacteria and high protein content. Probiotics promote digestive health and bolster immune function, while protein aids in muscle repair and satiety. Enjoy Greek yogurt as a standalone snack, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a creamy topping for savory dishes and desserts alike. Walnuts, nutty nourishment for brain and body. Elevate your snacking game with walnuts, the brain-shaped nuts brimming with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. These nutritional powerhouses support cognitive function, enhance heart health, and reduce inflammation throughout the body. Whether sprinkled over salads, blended into pesto, or enjoyed straight from the shell, walnuts offer a crunchy dose of nourishment for both brain and body. In conclusion, superfoods are not merely a trend, but a testament to the transformative power of nutrition. By incorporating these 10 superfoods into your diet, you can embark on a journey towards optimal health and vitality. From antioxidant-rich berries to omega-3 packed salmon, each superfood offers a unique array of health benefits that can invigorate your body and mind. So embrace the abundance of nature's bounty and let these nutritional superheroes pave the way to a healthier, happier you. And with that, it's time for us to call it a day. But we do hope that you liked the video and found it informative. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Your valuable suggestions are very important to us, so do post them in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video.